That is again third optimization, and you will use it. Suppose you declare a variable called rainy equal to true, and then we say false, and then suppose we say umbrella equal to, take two variables, and we'll go back to our watering plant example. Suppose says if rainy equal to true, equal to false. If it is not raining, and then I'll say if umbrella equal to true, then I want to say if it is not raining and I have an umbrella, then I want to do something. Say print plant water the plant. Else it is not raining, that means it's sunny, and I don't have umbrella, right? Then say print stay home. Okay, you can take this condition right now and merge into, rather than writing like nested if inside this whole thing is inside the another if, I can merge this and I can rewrite this code and I can use a AND operator, logical operator. I can say if rainy equal to false, and I can put another condition and say umbrella equal to true. In this case, I want to run the water the plant. Right? We are saying if it is not raining and if umbrella is true, I have umbrella and it's sunny, I can go ahead and water the plant. But should I say else print stay home? Can I write like this? It will be wrong, because we will stay home only when it is rain equal to false and umbrella equal to false. Then, so you cannot write here that you merge the condition for the first condition, which is good. I use AND operator. I have two Boolean expressions, rain equal to false and all. I can write like this. But if I don't have this code, suppose you are writing line number 5, then you can merge this two now. Rather than checking if and then put this, I can take these two conditions, join using and simply say plant the water. If it is rain equal to true or umbrella equal to false, in that case, I'm not going to plant the water. I'm just going to stay home or whatever it is. It doesn't matter. So if you see if and if inside, and then you're doing some statement, you may be able to merge it using an AND command. And then you put all together in single statement. You don't have to write nested ifs. And if you logically think, it makes sense. You're saying rain equal to false, and then you're taking also umbrella equal to true. Why not put everything in the single statement using two expressions joined by one logical operator called AND?